Okay, this is the final video for the Brooks B67 tension bolt repair. So I put the saddle back on my Surly disc trucker, and it is working fine. So here is the bolt in place with the lock nut, hoping that that's all going to stay. I used a level to level the seat. I have taken it for a ride. It feels tremendously better, and the reason is now I have more suspension, if you will, because the seat's tight. I was able to tighten the seat and it doesn't make noise anymore. So I don't know how long my bolt was broke, but I'm thinking it was broken for a long time. So the last thing I did again is I put the Brooks conditioner on it, and it's drying, and I'm going to wipe it down in a minute. I'm going to put a little bit more on. I think I missed a couple of spots, but I figured since it is now stretched, I better put the conditioner on it to protect it because of the leather stretching and such. So the conclusion is for $3.05, Ace Hardware, 8x125 millimeter hex nut and bolt. I fixed my Surly B67 tension bolt, and by the way, everything you read on the internet about how hard it is to do, when you use a screwdriver on the top of the hex bolt and slip it into this part here when it's upside down, took me literally less than 15 seconds. Maybe 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds. So pretty happy. B67 tension bolt repair.